I want to talk to all of you about sex, okay? And then we'll have a couple of drinks and see where it goes.
I don't talk about birds and bees with my kids.
I just let them figure it out too. I'm pretty sure they know because I've asked them. I said, hey, do you guys know what sex is? And I'm like, yeah.
The 5-year-old Lincoln?
Yeah, Lincoln.
You decided to talk to her about the birds and the bees.
Well, she
Five.
said, but where do babies come from? And we were both like,
Real
okay,
talk?
real talk, sit down.
We went through the anatomy, penis, vagina, ovum, sperm. We get right to the action.
Right to the good part. And she's like, okay, I gotta go outside. And just left.
Yeah, she bailed.
She bailed. We bored her to death.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One day, one of them said, where did I come out of? And my oldest said from the back of the room, duh, the belly button.
My mom told me on like a ride home from school, there was like no poetry to it because the talk I had ain't have nothing about birds and nothing about bees.
Chloe said she would not have sex when she was younger.
Her and her girlfriend were like 10 years old and they were playing hide and seek and they hid under my bed and stayed there for a really long time. And in the meantime, Bruce at the time and I came into the bed and went to sleep and, you know, had a little bit of hanky-panky going on and the kids were still under the bed.
Oh my God.